If you want to learn how to make a smackalicious, delicious, tasty breakfast that is easy and quick, made from blueberries, which is high in antioxidants, and chia, which is high in omega-3, then stick around, you will enjoy it. Hi, welcome back to the Berkeley Chef. I'm Caleb Berkeley, and today I am going to show you how to make a blueberry chia lemon vanilla pudding that is so smackalicious. So let's get started. We have here 2 glasses. We have our chia here. We have our almond milk, lemon zest, vanilla extract, maple syrup, and blueberries. So we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of chia into each container. Okay? Put 2 tablespoons in each container. So that's about 1/8 cup in each container of chia seeds here. And we're gonna set this aside. Take our trusty blender here and pour in blueberries. Maple syrup, vanilla extract, coconut almond milk, and we are also going to put lemon zest. It smells so good.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Hi, I'm Caleb Berkeley, and I wanted to take a moment to tell you about this great brain-tastic puzzle book 1 here. These 42 puzzles in this one book are great for road trips, vacations, or on your spare time, and much more. These puzzles are brain-tastic and will help with spelling and memory skills, so make sure to grab this awesome puzzle book 1 on Amazon.com. You can also find the link in the description. Thank you for your support. So we're done blending the blueberry sauce here, and we're going to pour 1/2 cup into each of these containers. So let's pour 1/2 cup. And so we're going to mix this up. So you let this sit for 2 to 4 hours. If you want, you can prepare this meal overnight so you have it in advance prepared for breakfast. So the chia pudding is set now. We're gonna put some coconut yogurt at the top. So you can buy store-bought coconut yogurt. You can also make dairy-free coconut yogurt too. We actually made a video on it. It's called How to Make Dairy-Free Coconut Yogurt. You can go and check that out after this video is finished. Then we put a little blueberry at the top. You can also put a little lemon zest. And voila! Your meal is prepared. Enjoy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family and give it a like. And if you want to see more videos of me, you can click up here and subscribe to our channel by clicking here. And we see you next time. Bye!